that's pretty good, Benjamin. You took that whole thing apart by yourself?
Yeah.
That's pretty good. He's got this, right? You got this for, what'd you get that for? You got that for Christmas from Grandma and Papa?
Yeah.
Vroom, take apart 4x4 toys. It's a transport toys from Batat. Les jouets de véhicules de transport de Batat. It's a transport toy. And it's pretty cool. It's got all those parts. Let's see, Benjamin. Let's see all the parts. Come on.
Fix it.
Yeah, I want to see you put it together.
Okay.
We'll do it together, okay?
Okay.
All right. So
I need this.
first, where is the, here, you need that. You need your little hand drill. So pick that up. Bring it over here. You got the hand drill?
Yeah.
Okay, coming back. I'm coming back to you.
Come up.
No, come on, we're going to do it over here.
Do it over here.
Yeah, where all the pieces are, right? Oh, cool. So how do you use that? There's like a little button on the bottom?
Yeah.
Like over here, right?
Yeah.
So does it like forward, back, and off?
Yeah.
Okay, so you know how to use it, right? Because I've seen you use this before. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the piece of the car, right?
Yeah.
Which is pretty cool. And then that goes down. Why is that like popping off? Okay, that goes on. That just pushes on. Go ahead, push it on.
Okay. That broke.
This is a very, very cool gift. Very cool. It's got the drill and then all the parts, like, for the car. Very cool. Oh, here's all the parts. Oh, and they have these, too. You could make these different things, too. Cool. It's got all the parts, the drill, the things, and the wheels. Okay, so that just pushes on, Benjamin, like this. See the holes? Wait. Hold on. And then you just
Pull it down.
push. Okay, so now put the top on. Cool. Okay. And then you need, wait, where's all the pieces?
It's right here.
Okay, so now you need the,
We need that.
oh, we need that. What was that doing in the box?
And
Is there anything else in the box that we need?
yeah.
What else? Oh, good, you found it. Good, so that goes in there.
That goes in there.
Mm-hmm. And then what do? You put a screw in there. So that goes this way, the other way, upside down.
This goes upside down.
Yeah, like that. Perfect. And then put the screw. Get a screw.
Okay.
Go ahead, get a screw.
Now that.
No, a screw. You know what a screw looks like. Very good. And then, let's see. Do you have the right piece? That's the piece. Is it going the right way? Very good. Is it tight?
Yeah.
Good job. Let me see. Good job. Very good, Ben.
We need that.
Okay.
Put chair tires on.
Okay.
Put that on.
Very good, Ben. And another wheel. There you go. Is it nice and tight?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, do the other two wheels.
Okay.
Well, I think once it's done, then we flip it over and we'll put the bolts on the bottom. So go ahead, put the other two wheels on. You want to do the bottom? Okay,
Yeah.
he's going to do the bottom. Oh, you're going to do the wheels. Okay. So you got to flip it around like this, right? Put the other two wheels on first.
Bang.
Okay.
This bang.
All right.
With
Okay. Go ahead. You're good at that. Go ahead. Very good.
the wheel.
Yep, and then do the other one. Okay. You need this, the piece. This is pretty easy to do for kids. He's only Benjamin, how old are you again? And half. 2.5, right? You're gonna be 3 in April, right? You Spider-Man? Very good. Wait, okay, you're missing a couple of things here. So now, oh, the back. Very good, I see. How does that go? Oh, wait, first you gotta put the tire in.
Oh.
The tire.
Oh.
You can do it. You've done this so many times. Here's your screws. You're almost done. Okay. Almost done.
Almost done.
Yeah.
You're almost done.
You're almost done. Here, you need your tool. Very good. And then you need your back piece, your hood. This goes on top, right? You were going to put that on next. Very good. Line it up with the things at the top, Benjamin. There you go. Right, very good. Very good. And then put your two screws. Go ahead, get your screws and your tool. Very good. Is it tight? Okay. You can also use this piece if you want to make the screws tight. Go ahead, pop that on to make those screws tight. Go ahead. Make that screw nice and tight. Okay. Julie, put the other one right here. Come on. Go ahead. You got it. I'm going to help you. Okay. You want to do it on your own. Okay. Go ahead. Very good. Excellent. Good job, Ben. Let's see the car. Very good, Ben. Let's see it. Oh, and it works. There you go. Cool. It works. That's a neat little truck right there.
Where's the blue one?
Very good, Benjamin.
Where's the blue one?
That's a nice truck.